The world as you know it does not exist. It's really just an illusion. Society, culture, everything. It's all just behaviours of people. The customs and the expectations, all of that. The traditions, the way things are, the world as you know it now or in past generations. Everything, the style, the trends, the whole system, laws that are made up, rules, what's accepted or expected of you, what's rejected, the whole competition between you and other people, the whole rat race, the whole idea, even the corruption that's right there when you don't even see it in hierarchy. The only thing that really exists is nature, absolute truth. Whether that's whether you say it's the planet Earth or a higher power that's put us on Earth or whatever. But the truth is, the society that you see around you is just man-made. You do not need to be materialistic, begging people, comparing with others, comparing yourself with them, trying to prove a point. All you really need is self-realization and acceptance, true acceptance in the self, which is true respect, true understanding that you are a human. No different to how the trees are in a forest are we human beings. So that's all that is needed to be known. The idea about money and all of that, that's literally nothing. It's literally absolutely nothing. Because when we die, we die. I could be living in a mansion right now. I could be living in a small flat. It doesn't matter where I am. I'm only existing in this one body. You need to keep sane and keep mental health and physical health. If you really respect nations, if such a word is to be used, the humankind around you, of any kind of life, then you have to understand life and self and understand the self. And you know what? It wouldn't pay for us all to be the same. I'll finish on that old quote there.